Find Spot, the Rainy Day by Eric Hill, a Lift the Flap book. Where is Spot going today? To play outside in the rain, says Spot's room. Look, Dad, it's raining, says Spot. Can we go and splash in some puddles? Good idea, says Dad. But we'd better put our wellies on first. There's all their wellies. The rain is quite heavy. Where shall we look for puddles first? Dad asks. I can see some already, shouts Spot. Keep out of the rain, little fox. There are lots of puddles along the pavement. They're not very big, but they are still fun to splash in. Let's find some more, Dad, says Spot. Maybe we should look in the woods. It's dry under here. There are no puddles in the woods. The trees stop the rain getting through. Where shall we look next, Spot? Asks Dad. But wait, where's Spot? He's not up here. Perhaps Spot is by the pond. We haven't seen him. The rain is stopping now. Maybe Spot is in the field. No Spot here, just lots of pigs playing in the mud. The sun is finally shining again. Is Spot playing on the swings? I think I saw him pass by. There's Spot. He's splashing in the park with his friends. Look at this puddle, Dad. It's big enough to fit all of us. So there's Steve and Tom and Helen and Spot. There are lots of different types of weather. Sunshine, rain, snow, cloudy, wind, ice, thunder and lightning, and rainbow. What is the weather like where you are today?